A day I incorrectly assumed would be like any other got off to an irritable start when my phone's alarm woke me. Far from well rested, I got up the second time it sounded. I remember thinking, "Joke's on you, alarm. I was having a nightmare anyway." As lonely as I get, I find strength and security in solitude, and due to a troubled past, loathe occasions in which I have to venture out. Couple the anxiety of leaving with what I consider a countdown to crazy if I'm not back soon, and you'll understand my distress during the events that follow. I'm a 25-year-old male who often wears black, but as being a shut-in calls for little more than boxers, surprise, surprise, I'd no clean clothes. The cleanest pair of shorts I could find were a light brown color and apparently not thick enough to prevent what the day had in store. Fast forward to me in an elevator, traveling up a whopping 2 floors, when a sneeze abruptly and violently escapes me, as I only just managed to pull up my shirt to sneeze into. So, simultaneously, a fart spattered out. The silence that enveloped the elevator's occupants is gripping me even now. There was no covering up or mistaking this noise for anything. I shuffled out when the chamber opened and walked for a bit and had a seat. I'd been holding my breath the whole time. Okay, rewind to this morning. I found my way to the bathroom and, to put it delicately, I applied a bit too much pressure expelling waste. After a wipe revealed a bit of blood, I rolled my eyes and cleaned up. So, I'm out now, post-sneeze fart, in a seat, and for the record, I feel nothing. Figuratively and literally. The experience in the elevator has me fairly numb. I receive a text, and my alert noise is the Pokemon level up chime. A girl giggles as I flip the switch to silence my phone, and we speak for a while. An actual conversation, not your typical small talk BS. The person I came to pick up is ready, and I get up to leave, and as I'm walking away, I hear a shriek of laughter from the girl, coupled with what I describe as a gasp of disbelief from a guy sitting near. I turn to look at them and see them acting awkwardly, and leave. When I got home, there was blood all over the back of my pants. Never heard from the girl again either. Yay. Too long didn't read. Ripped my butthole blasting a dookie. Menstruated all over my trousers.